In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can remove send and receive notifications on Trust Wallet. You can simply disable transaction notifications on Trust Wallet in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your Trust Wallet app. You will have to enter your passcode to access the wallet. It can either be Face ID if enabled. On this page, tap on the settings icon on your upper left corner right here. Then select the fourth option of notifications. You will have to disable this option off. By disabling this off, you won't get notified for sent and received transactions. That's how easy it is to disable sent and received transactions on Trust Wallet. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.